Hello everyone, taking Thesis seminar. I wanted to remind everyone that we have approximately 2 weeks, just over 2 weeks to finish our literature review. Today is February 12th, so it looks like we have just over 2 weeks to finish. And if you haven't started already, you need to begin writing up your literature review, working as much as possible in your own respective Google Drive document. That way we can collaborate more easily, and I can provide feedback directly to your Google Drive document. Certainly if you have connectivity issues, you can work offline and upload to your Google Drive document, but I would ask that you do that at least on a weekly basis, so whenever we get together on weekly tutoring sessions, I can see your progress and see how you're developing your writing. Now there's a couple things I'd like to mention here. If you are having problems finding primary research articles, I would recommend considering modifying your topic. The key here is to be able to find primary research articles that relate to your research. If you are having problems doing that, you need to modify your topic in such a way that you can in fact find the appropriate studies to support your research. If you are at this point still having problems doing so, we need to get together and discuss that so that you can begin writing up your literature review. Now we're in week 3, and I'd like to draw your attention to the writing process link. And this is a page with some helpful information, some things to think about whenever you're writing your literature review and the rest of your paper throughout the rest of the semester. Specifically, this section on literature review, I've included 6 steps that I think will help you prioritize and kind of link the steps involved in writing your literature review. The 6 steps mentioned here are: select a topic, search the literature, develop an argument, survey the literature, critique the literature, and write the review. So we've talked a little bit last week about developing an argument. I've included a link here that also takes you to that same page that we talked about last week. And this will be in fact how you will be organizing your literature review. So try to make your claims as logical as possible, that there is a coherent argument that supports the research questions. But there are some other links here involved in the search of the literature, for example, surveying the literature, critiquing the literature, and so on. So do take a look at these links, as well as the additional links down here at the bottom, and I think you'll find this helpful. Finally, to conclude, also remember that this week we'll have reflections due. Reflections are always due on the Sunday of each week. So do try to upload your reflections. Remember that you can upload your reflections at any time throughout the week. So any time from Monday to Sunday, you are able to upload your reflections. Please do that on a timely fashion. Try to do that within the week, because once Sunday passes, you are unable to write the reflection for that week. So again, you can do that any day, at any time throughout the week. You do not have to wait until Sunday to upload it. You can do it any day. And again, the reasoning being that this helps me also to see what issues you're facing for that particular week, what you've accomplished, what you need from me, and any doubts that you might have. So I look forward to seeing the rest of your literature review. If you do have any questions or doubts, or you want me to look at something specific to your literature review in your Google Drive document, feel free to send me an email in Canvas, and I'll be more than happy to take a look at it and provide feedback there directly in your document. If you haven't done so already, also I encourage you to complete the student thesis list, where you were asked to include the information from the handout that we completed for week 1, steps 1 through 4. And do look at some of the comments if there are some comments left here where I'm asking you to be more specific. That way it's a little bit clearer as to the direction you're taking your research.